Knowing how to take pictures is a valuable skill one can have in this society. If you are an active Instagram guy, then having perfect pictures is a must. Moreover, aesthetic pictures are needed on different platforms like LinkedIn, dating apps, and other social media platforms. These pictures will open doors of opportunities for you. For example, you can get selected as a professional model, or you can teach people how to take quality pictures, and thus you can cash this valuable skill. After this video, you will have a complete roadmap for having perfect pictures. The first point is equipment. First thing that comes to your mind is an expensive camera. Well, that isn't a big issue nowadays. Actually, every smartphone has an optimal camera, good enough to take pictures with, so the camera can be replaced by your phone. Other important equipment is the tripod stand. If you are going to take pictures alone by yourself, you can use the timer option to adjust yourself properly and get yourself clicked. In short, you can take pictures alone with only minimal equipment. Step 2. Choosing poses. This point is a bit tricky, as one gets confused about where to place hands, how to position the head, how to stand straight properly, and many more. Well, this can be done by knowing your angles. Poses are of different types, but most popular among them are: number 1, eye-to-eye pictures, where a person directly looks into the camera. Number 2, selfie pictures, where a person clicks himself with front camera. The best ideas for selfies are jawline selfie, muscular shoulder selfie, faceless selfie, and so on. The third one is mid-action pictures, where a person is eating, have a sip from glass, or getting up from bed, and so on. Number 4, clothes show pictures, where a person takes pictures focusing mostly on different clothing styles. Last one is flexing pictures, where a person takes pictures when in the gym, driving a cool car or bikey, or in the washroom. These are some common ideas. Well, the best store for ideas is Pinterest. Go check out Pinterest models and you can copy their styles as well. You will not learn your aesthetic angles in a single go. It will take time. Keep practicing. Take as many photos as you can. Even models take hundreds of pictures before finalizing the pictures, so be consistent. Don't get disappointed if your pictures aren't so good at first sight. It's basically a mind game. We only see ourselves in the mirrors, and that's the reflected image, which our mind presumes is true. Whereas, in reality, the camera images are true, and as we see them, our mind considers it as a bit different. That's what we call mirror effect. The next most important point is lighting. It is basically the soul of the whole photography industry. This is the factor that can't be ignored. If you are taking photos indoors, click them while standing or sitting near the window. Use sunlight to get aesthetic pictures. On the other hand, if you are taking photos outside, utilize the golden hour. Well, it's the first hour after sunrise and the last hour before sunset. It will give a golden glow to your pictures, and thus enhance your pictures. The last point is editing. By editing, you simply have to present your features more appropriately. Our purpose isn't to create an unrealistic picture, which will make all your effort zero. If you don't have basic knowledge of editing pictures, play around with different features like brightness, saturation, highlights, and color grading. You will soon learn it easily by playing with different options in any good photo editing software. I hope you like this video. Comment on your aesthetic photos if you have any, and provide me feedback about your journey after some time. I would love them. Subscribe me for more content. Stay tuned and blessed. Good luck.